Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to derive the formula, midpoint formula, coordinate geometry. Okay, midpoint formula. For the study of coordinate geometry, we always need to write the quadrants, that is x-axis and y-axis. So just draw a line AB. The point A is x1, y1 and B is x2, y2. Let the midpoint in between A and B let the midpoint of AB be P, that is xy. We are going to find out x and y. So here, 1:1. So midpoint means AP is 1. If AP is 1, PB is also 1. So 1:1. So draw a triangle ABC, right angular triangle. So, and draw a perpendicular from P to the base AC. Here there are, let the perpendicular to the base meet at the point Q. So from the two similar triangles, from the two similar triangles, ABC and APQ, and triangle APQ. Okay. Here the longest distance AB, the biggest triangle, the side A corresponding ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. So AB divided by, what is the corresponding side of the smaller one? AP, equals the base of the longest side is AC divided by base of the smallest triangle is AQ. AB by AP is equal to AC by AQ. AC divided by AQ. So that is the formula we are going to use it. What is AB? AB is 1:1, then the total distance is 2. 2 divided by 1 equals, what is AC? AC is the horizontal distance, that is x2 minus x1. AC is x2 minus x1. AC is x2 minus x1. Then what is AQ? AQ is x minus x1. Horizontal distance of AQ. Horizontal distance of AQ is x minus x1. So x2 minus x1 divided by x minus x1. So from this we are going to find out x, the value of x minus x1. When you cross multiply 2 times x minus x1 is 2x minus 2x1 is equal to x2 minus, when you multiply 1 and x2 minus x1, there is no change. So 2x is equal to x2 minus x1 plus 2x2. So x2 and 2 plus 2x2. Sorry, x2 minus x1. Sorry, x2 plus x1 by 2. X is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2. Similarly, we can find out the value of y. Again, from the similar triangles, the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Here again, ABC and triangle APQ. AB divided by AP is equal to perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance BC divided by PQ. Perpendicular distance BC divided by PQ. Perpendicular distance BC is y2 minus y1. BC divided by PQ. AB by AP is 2 by 1 equals BC is, what is BC? BC is the perpendicular distance from B to C, that is y2 minus y1. y2 minus y1 by PQ. What is PQ? PQ is y minus y1. Y minus y1. That's not right. Y minus y1. 2 times y minus y1 equals y2 minus y1. Y minus y1. 2y minus 2y1 equals y2 minus y1. So 2y equals y2 plus y1. y2 minus y1 plus 2y1. So 2y is equal to y2 plus y1. y2 plus y1. So y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2, or y2 plus y1 by 2, that both are same. So xy, the midpoint formula is xy x2 plus x1 by 2, comma y2 plus y1 by 2. That's the answer.